Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can glow on YouTube by choosing YouTube handle. In this video, you will know more about YouTube handle, what is the meaning of YouTube handle, and what is the importance of choosing YouTube handle. Stay in touch. So guys, you go on studio.youtube.com and go on news tab, and you see that it's time to choose your handle. You click on choose now. After clicking on choose now, they will direct you on YouTube. For me, I choose my handle. You choose the name which will be on your custom URL. If you don't have custom URL, it is time to choose your handle. What is a YouTube handle? Is a new way for people to find you and connect with you. Unlike channel names, handles are unique to each creator, making it easier for you to connect to establish a distinct presence on YouTube. Handles and channels URL. Your new handle will become a part of your channel URL. In most cases, your personalized URL will become your handle. You can use your handle to direct people to your channel when they are not on YouTube. Here there is example. If your handle is 123, your channel link will be wawa.youtube.com/123. So this channel handle help you to identify yourself. People can tag you in videos by using your handle, and people can search your handle and see you on YouTube. And this YouTube handle help you to connect with other creators. Where will your handle appear? Your handle will appear in the short tab, search results, comments, and mentions. So you understand that handle are very important for people who have not chosen it. If you don't have a handle, you can do the steps I showed you before. So this YouTube handle is very important to choose because help us to be searchable easily. So how will you know that you can choose your handle? You will get a notification in YouTube Studio once you can choose a handle. I showed you how you can get notification. So if you choose the handle, if you want to change it, you can change it, no problem. You see that YouTube handle is acting like channel custom URL, custom channel link. So if you can't choose your channel handle, you cannot be searchable easily. So sometimes handle cannot be available. It's either because another channel already selected that handle. So you have to select a unique handle. For me, that you see that I selected my handle which is the same as my YouTube channel. So it's your time now to choose your handle. If you are new on this channel, I invite you to click subscribe and you get notification about new videos that we will upload. So you see that my YouTube channel link is that contain my YouTube handle. If you want to know more, you can watch this YouTube video on Creator Studio channel. You will know more about how handle works. So I invite you to click subscribe and you will get notified for new videos.